Hi, I'm Jennifer Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to roast a Christmas goose. The equipment that you'll need for roasting a goose is similar to roasting any other bird. Most importantly, you'll need a good, solid, heavy roasting pan. You'll want one that you can put on the stove top because that'll make the gravy making much easier. In your roasting pan, you'll also want a rack. This is important for keeping the goose off the bottom of the pan so that all of the fat and drippings can go down into it and the goose is not sitting in all that fat while it's cooking. You'll also need a baster. You want to make sure that it's not a soft plastic baster. Goose fat is going to get very, very hot, so you want either a metal baster or something silicone or acrylic, something which is going to be able to withstand high temperatures. Along with the baster, it's also helpful to have a silicone basting brush. You can either have one that fits on the baster, such as mine, or one that's separate. You'll need a meat thermometer. This will be important in determining when the goose has been cooked. For preparing the goose, you'll want a pair of kitchen shears for cutting off excess fat. And then you'll also want a small paring knife for scoring the skin to help allow some of the fat to run off of the goose. And last but not least, you'll need a carving set. You want to make sure to have a really sharp knife for making the carving much more easy, a fork for holding your bird steady, and of course a carving board, which we already saw the goose being on.